Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Black Ops Cold War to begin your search. Once you find the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button. And now you can click on View My Card to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Finally, enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and after your transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks, and then you can start enjoying the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.